A two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 kilometer in 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 10 liters of petrol? Okay, so it covers, what is the first statement? Distance covered by
1 liter of petrol.
two-wheeler in 1 liter of petrol is 55.3 kilometer. Okay, so this should be your first statement. Now, second statement is distance covered by two-wheeler in 10 liters of petrol. So, I have to multiply 55.3 by 10. So, if I am multiplying it by 10, then decimal will shift one place towards right direction. So, it becomes 553 kilometer. So see, I am having distance covered in 1 kilometer, 1 liter, then distance covered in 10 liters of petrol. In 1 liter, that much distance is covered in 10 liters, so I have to multiply it by 10. Please complete it, then we will proceed to the next one. If it is completed, do tell me.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, so let's start with question number 5. So see here again we have to multiply. So just you have to multiply and then put the decimal accordingly. Okay, so I'm choosing some questions which we will be doing and some questions I will be putting as homework. So there are 10 questions. We will be trying the last 3, 8th, 9th and 10th. So you can write the homework in your copy, that is question number 5, 1st to 7th. This multiplication you have to do it yourself. So I am doing the 8th one. So see, I will just remove the decimal and multiply as usual. So like 1005 multiplied by 105. So see, I am multiplying it, 5 5s are 25. Carry over is 2. So I am writing 5 zeros are 0, 0 plus 2 is 2. 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5. So now 0 is multiplied by whole of this number, then I am getting 0 everywhere. Now 1 is multiplied by this whole number, so I am getting the number itself. Now you add it up, 5, 2, 5, 5,
Excuse
0,
me, ma'am.
1. Yes,
Ma'am, I have multiplied and my answer is coming 10.5525.
yes, it is correct. So this is the answer, Garima. And now see, If I look at the decimal, after decimal, there are two places, 2 digit, 2 digit. So 4 digits are there. 2 plus 2 is 4 digit. So the answer is 10.5525. So everyone please write it in your copy, 10.5525. Done? Okay, I am asking it to Rakshita. Rakshita, have you followed it? 8 part?
Ma'am, I have done the ninth part also. Ma'am, is the answer 0.0101?
Just a minute. So 10101. If I multiply it by like 01, so 01 is like 1. So it is like if I multiply 1 by any number, then it is the same number. So if you look at the digits after decimal, there are 2 and 2. So 4 digits. So yes, what are you saying, Garima? Tell me your answer.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah.
001.0101.
So don't write 001. 001 means 1. Understand, Garima? So please look at the screen. I am telling you how to do this question. So if I remove the decimal, then it is 10101. Okay, and if I remove this decimal, then it is 1 only. Isn't it? So do you agree this 1? Every one of you do tell me. Samraj, why I have written 1 here?
Yes, ma'am, because there are zero only.
Yeah, 0 only. So 001 means 1. So if I multiply 1 with any number, then I should get the number only. 1 into any number is number itself. So now if you look at the decimal, like there are after decimal there are 2 digit, after decimal there are 2 digit. So 2 plus 2 will make 4. So answer is 1.0101. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is, yes, Garima.
We are adding this also when if we will not put the zeros, answer will be then only 1.01. Garima, you are not.
Your voice is not coming proper, Garima. Okay, so let's move to the ninth, last one, that is 10th. And I'm hoping that you all have written 8th and 9th in your copy. So
Ma'am,
can,
ma'am,
yes,
of 10th also.
you have solved 10th?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
so
it is coming 10.001.
10.001.
Yes.
So let me check. No, that is coming wrong, Sabraj. No problem. So I will be doing it, Samraj. See how to do this question. So I'm just removing the decimal. So how it will change 10001? Do you agree with this, Samraj?
Yes, ma'am.
And next should be 11. So if I multiply 1 by any number, then it is the number itself. Then I will put a cross and again multiply 1 by the number. So it is number itself. Okay, now I will add. So I'm getting 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. If I look at decimal, then after decimal there are 2 digits. After decimal there is 1 digit. So I have to put 3 digits after decimal. So the correct answer is
Ma'am, 11, sorry, 110.011.
correct. So the correct answer is 110.011. So please everyone do it in your copy.
Done, ma'am.
Then, ma'am.
Okay, Rakshita, you have understood the
Yes.
8th, 9th and 10th part.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can I erase if you all have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so let's move now to division of number by 10, 100 and 1000. So see, if we have to divide the number by 10, let's say 31.5 divided by 10. So now the decimal will move towards the left direction. Multiplication में क्या होता है?
315.
हाँ, so it is 3 point, not 15, 3.15. Okay, so if I divide 31.5 by 100, then decimal will move towards left direction 2 points. So like it will be 0.315. If I divide 31.5 by 1000, then decimal will move 3 places towards the left direction. So 2 places will be covered by 3 1 and I have to put 0 additional. So the answer is 0.0315. So now I am giving the remaining of the table to complete it yourself. So please complete the first column. Then we will discuss.
Ma'am, can you hear me? Ma'am, done.
Okay. Yeah, I can hear you, Garima. Rakshita, can you tell me the first answer?
And the first 23.15.
23.15. It is correct. Okay. Okay, Garima, can you tell me the second one?
Ma'am, 2.315.
Speak again.
2.315.
No, it is not divided by 100. It is again written divided by 10.
Ma'am, I thought it's 100. Ma'am,
Yeah.
it will again 23.15.
Yes. So there is misprint in the book. Okay, no problem. So Samraj, are you ready with the third one?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the answer is 0.2315.
0.2315. Correct. So Rakshita, are you ready with the second column?
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Okay, so please complete the second column, all of you.
Ma'am, completed. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Garima.
Ma'am, completed.
Okay. Okay, Rakshita, have you also completed
Excuse me,
the
ma'am.
first
No,
part?
no, ma'am, not yet.
Okay, yes, Garima, tell me.
Ma'am, can I do the third part?
Third part?
Yes, ma'am.
Hold on, I will give you third part. Acha, you are talking about third row.
Ma'am.
Okay, okay, please start third row.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, Rakshita, what do you say for the 1.5 divided by 10?
Ma'am, I think the answer is 0.15.
0.15, or you can say 0.15, correct. Okay, Samraj, what do you say for the second part?
Ma'am, the answer is ma'am 0.015.
Very good, it is correct. Okay, Garima, what do you say for the third one?
Ma'am, 29.6 divided by
No,
it
no,
will be
Garima,
okay, ma'am. Okay. 0.0015.
it is correct, 0.0015. So now do the third one, everyone.
Ma'am, I'm done with the third one.
Okay,
Ma'am,
Rakshita,
me too. Ma'am,
Rakshita,
I also have done.
Ma'am,
Rakshita, first one.
ma'am, the first one's answer is 2.936.
Correct. Garima, second.
And 0.2936.
0.2936. Correct. Samraj.
Ma'am 0.02936.
Very good. So all of you are very good. It is correct. Okay. So how to divide the number by whole number, decimal number by whole number. Okay. So I will tell you how to divide. Someone's mic is unmute. That is from Garima's side. Garima, please mute yourself. Yes, now it's okay. Okay. So see, you have to find the average of three number. So how to find the average of three number? You have to add the three number and then divide it by whatever sum you are getting, divided by 3. That is called average. So you can write in your copy the formula for average. Average of given numbers is equal to sum of given numbers upon like if I number of or you can say counting of numbers. Like if I talk about three numbers, so whatever is their value, so that you have to add, that is called sum, and then you have to divide by their number. So how many are the numbers? There are three numbers, so I will be dividing it by 3. Okay, so add this 3, 4.2, 3.8, 7.6. So I will be adding them. 8 plus 6 is 14, 14 plus 2 is 16. So carry over is 1.
Ma'am, 15.6 upon 3.
8, 7 or 7, 14 plus 1, 15.6. You are correct. So when we add, it will be 15.6 divided by 3. So now I can divide it by 3 like ordinary division. So if there is no decimal, I can assume it like same. So 3 5s is 15. So 15 minus 15 is how much? 0. Now I will be writing decimal.
5.2 is the answer.
Yeah. So 3 2s are 6. So 5.2 is the final answer. Okay. So let's come to question number 10. Example number 10. Have you written that example number 9 in your copy?
Yes, ma'am.
What about others?
Yes, ma'am.
Please wait a minute.
तो उसकी हर साइड का मेजर दिया हुआ है 2.5 सेंटीमीटर. रेगुलर पॉलीगन का मतलब है सारी साइड्स उसकी क्या होगी 2.5 ही होगी. अब हमें नहीं पता है कि इस पॉलीगन में कितनी साइड्स हैं और हमें पेरीमीटर दिया हुआ है. पूरे पॉलीगन का पेरीमीटर क्या है वो दिया हुआ है. सो कैन वी फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ साइड्स? यस, वी कैन फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ साइड्स of polygon by the formula. So I am writing the formula. Formula is perimeter of polygon,
Ma'am, 12.5.
that is 12.5 divided by length of side. And length of side is given to be, what is the length of side?
I'm 2.5 centimeter.
2.5. So 12.5 and 2.5. So see, if you look at these two numbers, both the numbers have one digit after decimal. So we can just cancel decimal. Because both, if I remove the decimal of 2.5, I can write 10. If I remove the decimal of 12.5, I can write 10. So 10 and 10 will get cancelled. Okay, so we are left with 125 upon 25. When you cancel it, 25 fives is 125. So the final answer which you should get is 5 sides.
Okay, ma'am.
So please complete it, then we will start the exercise.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. So let's start with the exercise itself. So that exercise is based on division and there is one word problem. So I will be doing some difficult one and others you have to try it by yourself. So let's start with 65.4 divided by 6. I'm doing it on my board. 65.4 divided by 6. Is it the question? 65.4 divided by 6. Can you see my whiteboard?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So how to do this question? I will be dividing it by 6. Okay, so I will be dividing first 6 by 6. Then I'm getting 6 minus 6 is 0. Now I'm writing 5. So it is like smaller than 6. So I will be putting 0. Then I can write, I will be putting decimal. Then I can write 4.
Ma'am, answer is 10.9.
Yeah, so 6 nines are 54. So what is my answer? It is 10.9.
Ma'am, done.
Have you understood why I have put 0 here?
Ma'am, because we have taken one digit more after 5.
Yeah. So to take one digit more, see, because 5 is smaller than 6. So I cannot do anything. So I have to take the another digit. So to write the another digit, I can do it like this. So this is your first question. Okay, now let's do the second one. If it is written by everyone.
Please wait a minute.
Yeah, I can wait. Samraj, please complete.
Done, ma'am. Ma'am, till then you can tell me the next part.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm telling you the next part. That is 0.80 divided by 5. 0.80 divided by 5. So I will be writing it. So I have to put the decimal first, then 5 ones are 5. Okay, so 8 minus 5 is 3. Now I am writing 0. So 5 6 is 30.
0.16.
Yeah, so the final answer is 0.16.
I'm done. Same answer I am getting.
Yes. Okay, so we will be moving to the next sum. Samraj, please write it down. Rakshita, write it down.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So let's move to question number 2. This is division by 10. So it is very simple. We can do it orally also. Okay, who is ready with the fifth part answer?
Can I get it, ma'am?
Yes, Garima.
Ma'am, it will be 27.223.
You are correct. So decimal will move in the left direction one digit. So it is 27.223. Please do it.
Done, ma'am.
Yes. So please try question number 3, third part, and do tell me who are ready with the answer.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Samraj, do tell me what is the answer for third part.
And the answer is 0.0078.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. 0.0078. Okay, so now I am choosing question number 4, fifth part.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, I am waiting for Rakshita's reply. I want her to answer.
Ma'am,
Done, ma'am.
problem in this question.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I have done.
no problem. Okay, Garima, do tell me.
Ma'am, 0.3 times 0, then 5.
No, that is wrong.
Ma'am, then, ma'am, yeah, 0.005.
Yes, now it is correct.
Ma'am, what is the correct answer?
I am writing. See, 5. Oh, sorry. I am telling wrong. You are right, Garima. Just a minute. देखो ये जो डिवाइडेड बाय 1000 है, तो डेसिमल जो है वो 3 डिजिट लेफ्ट डायरेक्शन में शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. सो आई हैव टू ऐड 3 zeros. सो 0.0005. अंडरस्टैंड रक्षिता? जो डिवाइड बाय 1000 है, तो जो डेसिमल है वो शिफ्ट हो जाता है 3 डिजिट लेफ्ट साइड. तो 3 डिजिट यहाँ पे हमें है नहीं डिजिट अवेलेबल, सो वी विल बी पुटिंग 3 zeros.
मैंने जो पहले आंसर था तो सही था.
हाँ, पहले वाला करेक्ट था, सेकंड वाला रॉन्ग था. मैं भी कंफ्यूज हो गई थी एकदम, मुझे 5 दिखा था वो. Okay, so let's try the third part of question number 4 and tell me who all are ready with the answer.
And I have
Ma'am, can you tell me which part we have to do?
Question number 4, third part.
done, ma'am.
Okay, Garima. I'm waiting for Samraj and Rakshita to be ready.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, Samraj, do tell me.
Ma'am, the answer is 0.3853.
Speak again.
Ma'am, the answer is 0.3853.
See, that has to be divided by 1000. Garima, your answer is also wrong. It has to be divided by 1000. So decimal has to move 3 digit in the left direction. So 2 digit will be covered by 38. So it is 0.03853. Understood? Okay, so I'm just disconnecting and connecting again.